Not in control of this wallet yet? You will be soon. Watch as I guide you through the ultimate rug strategy that turns a meme coin into your personal cash machine. Let me tell you exactly how to do this. But first, let's talk about launching. If you're using pump.fun, you're making a massive mistake. Fix that first. Check out Photon, apply the pump.fun DEX filter, and you'll see new meme coins launching every second. Coins like Gifted or Portnoy just hit the market, but they're already done for. The reason? Pump.fun is way too crowded. It takes zero effort to launch a token there. Let's take a look at Radium. Filter it down, and what do we see? The competition is almost non-existent. Only 28 coins have launched in the last 20 minutes, which means people are hungry for new opportunities. Just look at the liquidity numbers. They're hovering around $10,000, as well as the market cap and the coin volume numbers. Guys, these numbers are next level. Radium projects get trust because they require actual coding knowledge. That's why we need to launch here. Let me guide you through it. Guys, this is wild. LaunchTool makes it possible to launch a coin on Radium with zero coding experience. Just a few clicks and you're live. I've been using this for the past month and the money I've made is ridiculous. I did a quick Google search and found a logo that fits my coin perfectly. I like SMUDGE the cat memes, so I'll make it his. It's a pretty iconic choice. Now open Canva. Set the size to 128 by 128 pixels. Tweak it a bit if necessary, and save it. That's all you need to do. We return again to launchtool.io to create our token. First, connect your wallet. As you can see, I'm using Phantom Wallet. On the next screen, enter your token's name and symbol. For this example, I'll use SMUDGE the cat as the name and SMUDGE as the symbol. The description is optional. I'll skip it, but you can add something if you want. Find your logo, upload it, and click Next. At this point, there's no need to change the decimals or token supply. The defaults are fine as they are. Just press Next again. Creator verification costs 0.1 Solana and is completely optional. My advice? Save your Solana and skip it. Same goes for social media links. You can add them if you want, but realistically, most buyers will come from Radium anyway, so it's not crucial. Click Skip again. Now, these revoke authorities are important, so pay attention. Even though you could save 0.3 Solana by disabling security features, don't do it. Investors always check if your token allows freezing transactions or modifying the supply. If you disable these options, people will lose trust in your token. Leave them enabled and click Launch My Token. Finally, confirm the transaction in your wallet. And that's it. Your token is now officially live on the Solana network. Alright, time to make your token tradable. Head back to LaunchTool. We're about to set up the liquidity pool. Look for the Create Liquidity Pool button and give it a click. This will automatically redirect you to Radium, where the real action happens. First things first, you'll need to select your meme token as the base token. Here's a pro move. Quickly hop back to LaunchTool and copy your token's contract address. Paste that long string of characters into Radium, double-check that the symbol matches exactly, and hit Add User Token to register it. Now, let's talk numbers. If you started with 1 billion tokens, just put 900 million to the liquidity pool. For the trading pair, Solana is the obvious choice. It's Solana's native currency, after all. Here's an important tip. When adding Solana, click Max, but then shave off a small percentage. This covers transaction fees and gives you some breathing room. Set the fee tier to 2%, the sweet spot that attracts traders without scaring them off. The moment of truth? Clicking Initialize Liquidity Pool. Your wallet will pop up asking for confirmation. This is the final step before launch. Approve the transaction and that's it. Your token is officially live on the market. Log into Photon, apply the Radium filter, and check that your MemeCoin is listed. You'll see it at the top of the screen since you just launched it. This immediate visibility confirms that your token is active and available for trading. We go back to launchtool.io and copy our coin address. Then go to dexscreener.com, select a random coin and paste the token address. It will immediately load our coin chart. Look, you can already see some orders being executed here. If you look at the order book, you'll see some movement. Those first trades are usually bots testing liquidity, nothing out of the ordinary. For now, I'm relaxing a bit, waiting for that first important order to come in from a real investor with conviction. When that happens, that's when the fun really starts. In the meantime, don't worry, everything is going according to plan. A couple of minutes have passed, and we see that several purchases of the token have already been made. Normally, these are bots that buy automatically, but here we see a purchase of $43. which is a good sign. Let's keep waiting. Check this out. Another $55 buy just hit the books moments ago. Solid volume coming in. What's really catching my eye is how the liquidity keeps expanding. Now that's what gets me excited about this play. Fresh $83 inflow. That's 0.6 Solanas confirmed. The magic here? It doesn't need advertising or any kind of marketing. And here's the kicker. Unlimited replays of this same method. It's crazy. And alright, now that the process is complete, it's time to pull out your liquidity. I'll show you how. Now heads up. Sometimes your assets might not show up right away. If that happens, don't sweat it. Just give it a few minutes and refresh the page. First, once you're in Radium, make sure you've connected your creator wallet. Then, go to the Portfolio tab and click on Standard. You'll see your fund there. Simply tap the minus button and withdraw 100%. Always check the amount in Solanas and confirm the transaction. It's that simple. Take a peek at your wallet. Funds have landed. Process complete. As you can see, I invested $175 and made $279 in a matter of minutes. Seriously guys, I've got to tell you, this approach, it's working perfectly right now. The window's wide open, so if you're paying attention, this might be your moment to move. Just to be crystal clear, I'm not working with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool in any way. But if you want to verify this yourself or learn more, I've dropped all the links down in the description for you.